Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your DOOGEE S60, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to move for security and location. Then tap on the Face Unlock and click to enroll face. Right now input your currently logged method, then click here and you have to read the description, then click to start enroll. Click OK. And we have to keep our face in this circle. I'm going to take a little bit closer this smartphone. Okay, something like that, and try to don't move your head. It's successful, so right now we can put it back like that, and then just lock device and try to unlock. And as you can see, face was recognized. Right now we are ready to use our smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.